got a classic 300D here. She's, the rear main seal is leaking on it. I cleaned her up a little bit, but you can still see there's lots of crusty left on there. But yeah, we're gonna tear this bad boy apart. Have a quick little bid over the whole thing. Been a while since this coolant was changed. I don't know if it's supposed to be pink or green, but it's brown. Nasty. There we go, we got the fuel tank off over there. This is what she's looking like. The rad's off, upper shroud. This is what the machine kind of looks like. These 300s are pretty basic. They come apart pretty easy. Big sections, you know. Here we go, a couple hours in. Well, more than a couple hours, but who are we kidding? Here we got the generator off the rotor there. You can see, you gotta get these bolts out right here, take this plate off, and then this rotor shaft will turn a quarter clockwise on the crankshaft, and you could slide it off. Then you can get at this inside and pull it apart. There we go, this is what I was talking about right here. See, we got the fins off. Now we're just gonna give this a quarter turn.